Roger that. Falling back. I gave them a bunch of torpedoes to chase. I feel like I don't know enough ship lingo to play this game. I gotta work that out. They're chasing me. How about some smoke? That'll help. Leave us alone. These higher tier fights go for a lot longer than the lower tier fights do, that's for sure. Where are these guys at? Hey, Constant Swagga, thanks for the follow, appreciate it. How you doing tonight? So I've got nice long range, but they are just outside of range for me. Yeah, everyone's doing a really good job of maneuvering, staying where they're supposed to be. I could learn a lot from them for sure, because I suck at that. These guys are still out of range, but we're getting close. Alright. I love the feel of this game when you zoom in on the guns and you're right at the water level there. You definitely get the feeling of motion of being on a boat. It's very cool. Nice effect. Really makes me want a tropical vacation though. Yeah, I have a beta key, so I'll be giving it away here in just a little bit. Here's Stealth. I wish I had more than one, but unfortunately only one to give away right now.
The enemy is about to win.
About to win? The fuck? I am using the Chrome giveaways that a lot of the streamers use, so it's completely random. I'll do a keyword. I can't give it to you, but I'll be happy to give you a chance. Yeah, I wanted to stream the game, so I went and bought some of the ships. But yeah, you're more than happy to stick around for a little bit. You can have as much chance as anybody else. Yeah, the range on these torpedoes is really nice, but just not as far as I want it to be. Come on. It's definitely not 12 kilometers. Which one is the Rook? Is that the battleship back there? Behind? Uh-oh. That's no good. The game freezes you. Oh, little bastard airplanes! Fire! Yeah, better be solved. I want to go out like that. Oh boy. Come on, where is this guy?
Our team has taken the lead.
Yep, working on it. Thanks for the follow, Stealth. I appreciate it. So what other games do you stream right now? Oh, these bombers are gonna hurt me bad. Oh, I got more. I really suck at the angles on those torpedoes. Whoever that destroyer is isn't, though. That could have been worse. We are taking on water. And I am dead. Minecraft, fun. Yeah, I played the shit out of that game for a while. I was a latecomer to it, and it was actually a lot of fun. I was really surprised by how captivating it could be to just dig up shit, and build shit. It was actually really fun. He's dead, Jim. I'm a destroyer, not a doctor. Yeah, rest in pieces is more like it. Wow, yeah, you played that game for a long time. Corporal Dave is going down. Here's Commander 0099. He's hanging out and chat with us. If any of the rest of you are playing and want to join the fleet here, just let Commander know. Kill those damn fighters. I guess they're bombers. Hey Argo, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, man. How's your night going? Holy crap, we won? Oh, look at that. It's all because of Rigo 93. He carried us. That's my story, at least. I didn't entirely suck at that, but mostly because Rigo was telling me what to do. I got to admit that. Oh man, the World of Tank grind. Tell me all about it. So far this game seems better about the grind, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I've only really played the very beginning, and then I have these gold ships that I'm using. We'll see how it gets later in the game. Although I know Max was saying he has a tier 10 ship, so he may know a little more about it. Either way, it's fine. I don't really care, so... Alright, well, I guess he's gonna leave and rejoin. Alright. Let's see. There we go. Assume that means he's ready. Look at that, I'm figuring it out. Thanks, man. Yeah, all new UI. Still figuring it out here. Yeah, I'm in tier 7 in World of Tanks, and I tried really hard for the last month to grind to tier 8, and I got some good work done there, but just couldn't make it. So I'll go back. I'll play some more.